Hi everyone, welcome back to BIMKLUE REVIT tutorial. So in this session, we continue to model our remaining furniture, the built-in furniture, which is the vanity top of this toilet. Okay. So first of all, I wish to introduce to you our new web page, which is our BIMKLUE@teachable.com. We have already created a bundle of MEP and architecture Revit tutorials for you to watch it online. Okay, so this is our example of our tutorial page, and then we consist of hours of content here, step by step, guiding you from beginners to advanced level. Okay, so let's visit to our page and let's learn Revit together. Okay, so without further delay, so let's start with our tutorial here. Okay, so we have our vanity top here. So first of all, we need to give some dimension for this vanity top. It should be a one-piece vanity top. Okay, 1005, and then this one. Okay, 300. And then this will be 600. Okay, so we're going to use the family modeling to model this whole piece of vanity top here. Okay, so first of all, we go to new and family, and we pick on, just start with generic model or furniture. Okay, start with furniture, then open, then we start to model our vanity top here by using the extrusion. Okay, so we know that we have 300, 1250, and then we have 1500, we have 600, 1500, then draw until here. Okay, let's check our dimension. One, 300. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so next we move it to the center. Let this one be the center line. Okay, so click finish to finish the extrusion. Then from the front view, we're going to set the extrusion to 700. Okay, so be careful with this height of the vanity top, and then if you are using the under mount basin, you would need to set higher. Okay, if you're using the top mounting basin, then this will be the ideal height of your countertop. Okay, so if you are dealing with higher people, like the Western people, then which have a higher body height in average, then you will need to be set higher. Okay, so the thickness of the countertop vanity top will be 50 mm, or you can set it to be 30 mm, which is 720. Okay, so then next it will be the cabinet here. Let's create another extrusion for the cabinet. Okay, finish. Then from the front view, push it up here. And then this one, push it further up. It's 400 or 300 to be the bottom. It will be look like this. Okay, and then from the reference plane, I'm going to set this one to be inner. Let it to be 230. Let's do it again. 270. Okay, Okay, then you'll be a cabinet cover, and we need to go to the back view and model the extrusion. Use the extrusion tool to model the cover. Okay, this is the first piece, offset 10 mm. Then mirror it. Okay, finish. Then from the reference level, push this to here. Okay, so this will be our cabinet, and then this will be the vanity top, and then the latch here. I will leave it for now, and then we will go into the project environment to model the brick wall over here for the water closet latch. Okay, so of course you can, from the front view, you can also, from the reference view, you can also model a mirror with the cabinet. Okay, if I want to the whole piece, the full piece of cabinet with mirror, then I just need to model like this, 200. Okay, then finish. From the back view, push it up higher. So we know our ceiling height is 2600. We just draw a line here, 2600 for reference. Then we push our cabinet to the top here. Let it 50 mm at the gap to the soffit of the ceiling. Okay, so to prevent when you swing your cabinet door, it will hit your cabinet, hit your ceiling. Or if you wanted it to be full height, also possible. Just let it to be full height. Okay. Then this is your cabinet mirror, and then create another extrusion for your mirror cover. So this is the first cover, and don't forget to have a little offset from the basin here. Finish. Then this one until here. Okay, edit extrusion again to edit the mirror. So 10 mm offset here, here. So this is the first piece. Second piece will be here. Just draw a line here as act as a mirror. So because I want to mirror this whole thing, tap the tab key to select everything here. Then you mirror it to the other side. So this will be the extrusion. Okay. Then this will be another mirror again. Let's say I draw a 10 mm offset here. Then draw this line here. Then draw a straight line over here. Offset 5 mm to left and right. Delete the mirror line here. Complete the line. Okay, finish. Okay, lines cannot be intersect, so we need to check which line is intersecting. Okay. Finish. So this will be the mirror. the overall will be looks like this. Okay, so then before you load it inside, you need to assign the material. So this is the material parameters. Then you click on this small button here, click on this new, so assign as mirror, then type parameters. Okay, then this is the cabinet. Click on this one, then cabinet body, then this is the vanity top here. Click on here, this. Okay, then load it inside to our project. Save as toilet vanity set. Okay, save. Then just place it to our project environment. Okay, just move it to here, to this corner. Okay, it will fit well here. So let's look at it. Let's see at the 3D view. Zoom in, lower it down. So this is your toilet vanity cabinet. Okay, so we need to model the WC latch here. Then first of all, we will use the wall tool. Of course, we need to use the generic brick wall. Let's say I use the brick wall first as example. Okay, because we need to add a tile finish for your brick wall. Okay, just draw a wall over here, here, then you align it. Here, align it to here. Align it to here. And align it to here. Okay. So that's from your, of course, undo, because you must reserve some space for your finishes. Okay. So align the line to here. So just align somewhere to here. So use your section view to adjust the height of your brick wall. Oops, if you can see, the ceiling height is actually is 2650. Okay, we have only a little bit left for the 2650. We need to lower it down to 50 mm because we need to reserve some space for the MEP services. So we lower it down here. The top also align it to here. This cabinet we also need to lower it down 50 mm. Or if you want to flush it to the ceiling also is okay, then you just need to move it back to here. For this side, here, then from the 3D view it will look like this. Okay, Then next will be your finishes and then your WC. Okay, so we end this session for now. Then we will going to place the finishing in the toilets, which is the tile layers, and then the sanitary wares and fittings together over here. Okay, so let's end this session here. Thank you.